Subject: Researches of Mathematics. Honorable mathematicians, I am giving the definite values of three topics as 0 upon 0, infinity into 0, and 1 raised to power infinity, which are unknown update. Solution of each understand as under please. Solution of topic first, or value of 0 upon 0. Although I can give many solutions proving the definite value of 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 only, but at this particular time I am giving only one easy solution. Taking 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 into 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 upon 0 into 0 is equal to x, where x is the resultant of 0 upon 0 into 0 as well as the resultant of 0 upon 0. Since 0 upon 0 exists 0 time or nothing time or does not exist in the x, the resultant of 0 upon 0 into 0 as well as the resultant of 0 upon 0. Thus nothing exists or 0 exists in the x. The resultant of 0 upon 0 into 0 as well as the resultant of 0 upon 0. So only 0 should be actual or confirmed value of 0 upon 0 as well as the definite value of 0 upon 0, and 0 upon 0 should be defined. In the last, I request to all of you that either object with authentic reasons against the definite value of 0 upon 0 equal to 0 only, or approve accepting the definite value of 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 only given by me. Thanks. Solution of topic second, or value of infinity into 0. Taking infinity into 0 is equal to x, where x is the resultant of infinity into 0. Here it is clear mean of infinity into 0 is equal to x, as infinity exists 0 time or nothing time in the resultant x of infinity into 0. Its clear mean is as that infinity does not exist in the resultant of infinity into 0. So nothing exists in the resultant x of infinity into 0, or 0 exists in the resultant of x of infinity into 0. Its clear mean is as that 0 is equal to x, the resultant of infinity into 0. So infinity into 0 is equal to x is equal to 0, or infinity into 0 is equal to 0. Thus finally the value of infinity into 0 should be equal to 0 confirmedly, or infinity into 0 is equal to 0 only, which is the definite value of infinity into 0 with challenge. Thanks. Solution of topic third, or value of 1 raised to power infinity. Taking 1 raised to power infinity is equal to x, where x is the resultant or value of 1 raised to power infinity. Taking log the both sides of 1 raised to power infinity is equal to x. Log 1 raised to power infinity is equal to log x. Infinity into log 1 is equal to log x. Infinity into 0 is equal to log x. 0 is equal to log x, as I have proved in the topic second. The value of infinity into 0 is equal to 0. removing the both sides of log 1 is equal to log x. Log 1 is equal to log x. Thus we get 1 is equal to x is equal to 1 raised to power infinity. So 1 is equal to 1 raised to power infinity, or 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1, or the value of 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 only. Alternative, 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into being endless continuity is equal to 1, which is the fixed or prefix the definite value of 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 conformly with challenge. Thus the definite value of 1 raised to power infinity should be equal to 1 conformly, or 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 with challenge. Thanks. Alternative for the value of infinity into 0. Infinity into 0 is equal to infinity into log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0 is equal to log 1 raised to power infinity. Log m power n is equal to n log m is equal to log 1. Put 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1, as I have proved above. 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. So the value of infinity into 0 conformably. In the last, I hereby declare that if any competitor will prove to above proposed value of 0 upon 0 as well as definite value of 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 only, the definite value proposed of infinity into 0 is equal to 0 only, and the definite value of 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 proposed only as unto in real firstly, then I shall pay him 10,000 rupees as a price. But if those competitors will be failure for the same, then they each of those will have to pay me 100 times of 10,000 rupees as a penalty. Penalties provision has been taken in favor of not to get unnecessary, senseless, unto values of infinity into 0, 0 upon 0 and 1 raised to power infinity. I pray to all the honorable mathematicians of all over the world, paying much regards, that please either prove as unto or approve, accepting as the true to ever proposed definite value of 0 upon 0 is equal to 0 only, infinity into 0 is equal to 0 only, and 1 raised to power infinity is equal to 1 only. Thanks. Yours sincerely, Suren Singh Chahar, retired engineer, A13, Prajapati Nagar, Patel Marg, Mansarovar, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. Email sschahar13a@gmail.com. Mobile number 8764053661.